Today I am excited to introduce a new and simple method for creating a Ventura Bootable USB drive on a Mac. This new method allows you to quickly create a bootable USB drive for Windows 10 or Windows 11 by following a few simple steps. And the good thing is, this method works on all Apple computers. So whether you have an Apple Silicon Mac or Intel Mac, you can create a fully functional Windows bootable USB drive on your Mac. So let's start the video with step number 1, which requires a Windows ISO file. For that, go to Microsoft.com and download the installer you wish to install. For the demo, we download the Windows 11 installer. After downloading the installer, connect your USB drive to your Mac. Please keep in mind that this process will erase all data on your USB drive. So either use a blank drive or backup any important data before proceeding. Anyway, after that, open your Disk Utility app. Next, go to View menu and select Show All Devices. In the Disk Utility sidebar, select the top level of your USB drive and click the Partition button. Click the plus button to create a new partition on your USB drive. Set the first partition size to 400 MB. Name this partition EFI. From the Format drop-down menu, select FAT32 for that partition. After that, select the second partition and the Format drop-down menu, choose exFAT. You can give this partition any relevant name. Everything is okay. Now hit the button. After partitioning the USB drive, click the Done button and close the Disk Utility app. Now, open the larger partition of your USB drive and navigate to your download folder and mount the Windows 11 ISO file. Now copy all the Windows 11 ISO file to your USB drive. We are almost done. There is just one last step remaining. Download this tiny folder from my Google Drive that contains the USB boot and EFI files. These files allow the USB to boot on any system, whether it's a Mac or a PC. Anyway, copy these two folders to the EFI partition of your USB drive. And that's it. Our USB drive is ready to use. Before we check the drive, please keep in mind that if you want to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive instead of Windows 11, simply repeat the same steps but copy the Windows 10 ISO files instead of Windows 11 files. Let's check the drive. So you can see the USB drive works perfectly. And now we can install Windows 11 using this USB drive. So friends, if this video works for you, please hit the like and share button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.